health at the center. In North Carolina, under my tenure, we launched a groundbreaking program called Healthy Opportunities. Instead of just paying for traditional blood tests and doctor's visits with our Medicaid program, we also used it to pay for things like food, or helping someone to move into stable housing, or even replacing carpet in the home of a kid with asthma. And guess what? It works. It keeps people healthy and out of the emergency room, which actually also saves money overall. We made the system work for people, and North Carolina is spending about $1,000 less per person per year in medical costs if they were in the Healthy Opportunities program. That means a lot of Jennifers are getting what they actually need to be healthy. This is what it can look like when our actions match Wake Forest's motto, Pro Humanitate. Now look, the line from those early days as a new doctor taking care of Jennifer to implementing the Healthy Opportunities program in North Carolina was not a straight one. It was a collection of experiences that time and again reinforced how I want to show up in the world. Some of those experiences were big and highly visible, like leading through the COVID crisis, and others were personal and private. But here are some practical things I've learned along the way about how to strive for Pro Humanitate. The first is to actually show up. Get away from those screens and look people in the eye. Meet people where they are, and when you show up, listen. I mean, really listen. Not listening for how you can make your point, but listening for how you can make a difference. To truly understand someone else's experience, their why. Find the common ground. It's there. Next, be authentic. Now look, being authentic doesn't mean sharing every opinion and thought you have the minute you have it, but it does mean bringing your full self to the table, the things that make you you. And for me, that means showing up as a doctor and a public servant, but also as a mom, a wife, and a daughter. All of those things make me who I am, and importantly, these things can connect you to others in meaningful ways. And then lastly, do what you say you're going to do. Pretty basic, but absolutely critical. This is how you build trust with actions, not just words, and that's important. Trust is how you make things happen. So in this increasingly complex world that makes it too easy to believe the illusion that we live in a binary world of us and them, I hope you will recommit to the school's motto as you leave your college days behind. Show up and see people, all people. Listen, seek understanding, and not just with those who think like you. Take the time to understand the other person's why, and focus on making a difference, not just making a point. And build trust by demonstrating your trustworthiness. So as I wrap up, rather than ending with my own words, again, I'll end with yours here at Wake Forest. Use your ideas, knowledge, talents, and compassion on behalf of humanity in all its difference and diversity. Pro Humanitate. Congratulations, class.